me, Kari, and I am back with another video. Today I'll be doing some DIY tribal braids, DIY Fulani braids. You want to call them pop smoke braids, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to be doing some DIY. I think they call it tribal braids, but yeah. So for this hairstyle, you're going to need 2 combs, some shining gel, I got some yarn, that's optional, some mousse, some type of brush, some hair ties, of course the hair. I have right here 5 packs of expression hair, and I want to throw some color in there, so, and some edge control. You know you gotta have some edge control. Okay, to get started, I'm gonna just start by taking these braids out of my head. I'm gonna just change my shirt. Okay, so from here, I'm just gonna section my hair from the back, the top of my ear to the other top of my ear. Oh, and if you're doing this style DIY, you're most definitely gonna need a mirror. Most definitely. Honestly, I think that's good enough for this section right here. I'm gonna just take my brush. I'm also used a little bit of this pink oil moisturizer in my hair. So I just sectioned this section in half, and I'm gonna braid this side first, and I'm gonna braid that side. Open up a pack of my expressions. And cut it in half because it is very long, and I do not need that in my head that long. regular shining gem better than the braiding shining gem. I feel like this is more slippery, and that's like more thicker consistency. I showed y'all the first 2 braids. I showed y'all everything y'all gonna need for this hairstyle. I'm gonna come back when I'm on the top of my head. Y'all, it is a whole new day. I didn't want to sleep, woke up. I started getting lazy doing them in the back, so because I was tired, so I just was like, okay, I'm gonna just stop and wait till the morning to finish them. So I went ahead and finished my whole head. I did put some red in there and some gray in there. I have 3 layers. So this is the finishing look. All I did was pull some back and put them in a ponytail, but this is it.
It's been another perfect day with you.